Hello there, my name is Luis and this is my Lab 5 demo for CPE133. Let's get onto the board. Okay, so these are my switches, the sub, oh I should turn that off. So sub and then all the B switches right here and the A switches. T18 stands for clear, so we're just going to get 0. U18 is equal to enter, so we should just display a number after each test case. These are all my add test cases that are valid. These are all my sub test cases that are valid. And these are the invalid and invalid ones. And these are just valid ones. And this is my range of numbers we should get. Okay, so from 0 plus 0, let's start with this one. We get 0. And then let's put B as 1. So we'll just get 1. We'll enter. Now just clear that, because if we don't, we'll keep on seeing that. Alright, negative 1 plus 0. Negative 1 plus 0, so that's for A, negative 1. We should just get negative 1. So you can see, I'll push clear. Okay, now let's start from the top of add valid cases. So 3 plus 3 should just give us 6. There we go, 6. And then we're going to do 4 and negative 2. So 4, and then negative 2, which is just going to be 1, 1, 1. That should give us another 2. And it does. So let's turn that off now. Alright, now let's do a negative 5 plus 1. Okay, so negative 5 is just 1, 1, and 1. And then plus 1. Push enter. We get negative 4, which is valid. Alright, negative 1 plus negative 6. Okay, so that's just 1, 1, 1 for A. And then it's going to be 1, 1. So that should give us a negative 7. So we get negative 7 here. And that, as we can see, that's valid. It's within our range. I'll just clear that. Okay, now turn everything off. Now let's do our invalid test case. So let's do 3 and a 5. So A is 3, and then B is 5. So that's going to be 1, 0, 1. And so that's, as you can see, we get a whole blank screen. So it's everything's just blank because it's out of range. So clear that. Let's do a negative 4 for A and then negative 5 for B. So that's just going to be 1, 1. And then negative 5. So that's 1, 1, 1. So we should get negative 9. As you can see, it's all blank. So there's no way we could get that because it's out of range here. So let's just clear that. Alright, let's do the valid test cases for sub. So A and B. Let's do 5. So 5 minus 3. Okay, so 3 is going to be right here. That should give us a 2. Oh, sorry. I didn't put the sub, so let me clear that first. Okay, now let's do this. Push enter. We get 2, because 5 minus 3. Then we turn the sub switch on, so it gives us 2. There we go. Okay, let's do 2 minus negative 2. So A is 2. And then B is negative 2. So we're going to go right here. That should give us 4. And we get 4 as expected. Alright, now let's do negative 4 minus 1. So negative 4 minus 1. Alright, that should give us a negative 5. It does, negative 5. There we go. Alright, let's do the invalid test cases now. So negative 7 minus 4. So that's just going to be 1, 1. And then negative 4. Just minus 4. So let's just do 4. So negative 7 minus 4. There's a blank screen because it's negative 11. So turn that off. Now let's try another 2 minus negative 6, which should also be invalid. So we'll get 2 minus negative 6, which is going to be 1, 1. So enter. As you can see, we got nothing because 8 is out of our range for the positive values. Alright, so that has been my Lab 5 demo for CPE133. Thank you.